are going to love the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, child safety locks. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.